At first, delete or uninstall your older version apps if you have installed already. Now let's begin. Start by enabling Install Unknown Apps in Settings. Search in Settings Unknown Apps. You will see the option, click and open it. Now enable permission to Chrome and File Manager. Come back, now search the build number. The build number will be shown. Click it 7 times and your developer options will be on. If it's all ready, then OK. Now come back and search HW Overlays. You will see this Disable HW Overlays option. You have to enable it. Now download an older version of the APK or game's APK from a trusted site like APK Mirror. If the apps or any game uses additional data or mods, place them in the correct folders: Android data / for game files and Android OBB / for large files. Finally, install your app or any older version game. Follow these steps, and your favorite older apps and games should work perfectly.